Greetings, future nurses. This is Nurse Ed Scholar here. Today we're going to dive into another overview, understanding how body fluid moves within the body's complex compartments. So hopefully by the end of this video, you'll have a grasp of isotonic, hypotonic, and hypotonic solutions and the role of active transport. So let's get started. All right. Now, when we're looking at the forces influencing fluid movement, um, we'll first, explore cell membranes and capillary walls because they serve as barriers between the body compartments. Now, the selective permeable nature of those membranes allows water and solutes to pass through. And forces like osmotic pressure, influenced by the concentration of the particles, they also come into play. For instance, when electrolytes are lost more than fluids, an imbalance will impact the health of the intracellular and extracellular fluids. Okay. So maintaining, this balance is very crucial. Okay. And and then we'll go on to understand its significance. So when we're looking at uh, solutions, you have the isotonic solution where the membrane, uh, I guess reigns supreme. Uh, and basically that is when the solutions on either side of the membrane achieve equal concentration. Okay, so so that's isotonic. They become isotonic when the solutions on either side of the membrane achieve equal concentration. And this is causing minimal osmosis. I mean, there's not much need for that shift of fluid. These solutions, isotonic solutions, kind of mirror the osmolarity of our body fluids. On the flip side, you have hypotonic solutions with lower solute concentrations. Um, and osmosis helps to keep this in balance. So you'll see minimum osmosis occurring with isotonic, but when a solution is hypotonic, that's when osmosis is moving and shifting the fluids to um, maintain balance. Okay. And then we have hypertonic solutions where there's a higher osmolarity than body fluids. And then, you may also see, osmosis there as well. Okay. So now we're going to move on to active transport. So active transport is a cellular, I guess, powerhouse in a sense to make sure and ensure that movement of ions, is going against the concentration gradients. So for some ions, you need a cellular force to push it against the concentration gradients. All righty. And this process, this active transport, demands energy from cellular metabolic activities. Okay. And um, items that need this active transport, this, power or this energy from cellular metabolic activities, that that transport of sodium, potassium, calcium, iron, hydrogen, sugars, and amino acids need this active transport to get through the cell membrane. Okay, so those are some common um, items, electrolytes, uh, solutes that need active transport to get across the cell membrane. Okay. And, typically that active transport is getting these items, um, through or against concentration gradients. All righty. Hopefully, hopefully I, help with your understanding of that. Because, you know, fluid and electrolytes, we still have a lot to go. Um, it's really key to understanding, the foundation, and then you'll understand as things move along. Oh, I understand how that happened, why that happened when we come to certain disease processes that we're going to investigate in the future. And as healthcare professionals, we really, need this knowledge to ensure our health and well-being for our patients. Um, so all I can say is just keep on going, keep exploring, stay curious. Um, we have a lot more to discover and to go over and review to help you on this nursing journey. So until next time, happy learning and continue thriving.